Well, as cases continue to surge, the real danger right now may be inside your very own house. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough explains why taking extra measures at home is more important than ever.
Household spread is becoming even more of a concern as loved ones spend more time indoors with each other.
Household exposure is one of the main ways that persons contract COVID-19.
Dr. Karen Landers with the Alabama Department of Public Health says adults in particular need to minimize their exposure to others when they're at work or at the grocery store. That prevents spread in close quarters, such as the bedroom.
In other words, don't engage in activities that you don't have to do right now in order to either provide a livelihood for your family or, ensure supplies in your household.
So home is usually the one place we feel safe not wearing the mask, but is the risk great enough that we should think about wearing it inside?
Masks in the home are something that persons might want to consider, but specifically what we have guided is that if there are persons in the home who have COVID-19, those persons should stay within their own room, using a bathroom that hopefully is dedicated totally to their use, as well as wearing a mask if they have to pass through the common area of the house.
And not watching TV in the family room or preparing food in the kitchen. Then when it comes to interacting with those in your social bubble who don't live in your household, even more discipline is required.
You really need to speak frankly with the persons that you're going to be around and have everyone in agreement about the activities that they are going to be carrying out.
Doing everything possible to minimize exposure to COVID-19. In Birmingham, Chip Scarborough, WVTM 13.